England.
So what sensor corresponds to what light? Is it just all of them?
Well, sometimes they do a bit of their own thing, but usually when you walk up and when you go up and down,
Going to sleep again.
you're going to sleep. Yeah. Oh, yeah. See, these are normally on together, those three, and they go usually with the vertical line, and then the green and the curly one and this one
Yeah.
are usually when you don't do many things, or when you just shift slightly when you do this. And these go together, but to be honest, yesterday you could see that, and today it's more like it happens when it happens kind of thing.
Yeah.
Sometimes they go together. I mean, I can tell this to you because, you know,
Yeah.
I'm not going to tell this to Simon, I'm going to go, oh, got it all under control. But it's,
I really
yeah,
like it.
they sort of shift a bit, because sometimes it's more sensitive and sometimes it isn't. Yeah, there you go, those go together, and these, and those, yeah. You need to ease them in sometimes, don't you? Yeah, this is vertical, and then the rat ones.
Yeah.
I'm just happy it works.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Thank you.
You know, she wrote a lot of the code herself.
Really?
Yeah, some of it. I've read a couple of, you know, because I've borrowed some books and then I've tried to figure out, and for a tiny bit of code like this, they write you 6 pages of explanation and you have to try and filter out the thing. But I got there in the end to write some of it myself.
Yeah. That's so clever. You are so